What's what's up? How you doing? Dramatic entrance, guys. Do you have a patchy beard? Do you have like a short patchy beard, or just a beard that where there's spots that just don't grow in right? This could be the video for you. Okay, so stay with me here. Number one, thanks for coming. Number two, hit the like button right now because just do it. Duh. Number three, thank you guys so much for just spending this 5-6 minutes out of your day to hang out with me. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's cut the fluffy crap. Yeah, I said crap. This right here is called a Derma Roller, or a micro needle, or whatever you want to call it. And this is literally, it looks like a Mach 3 Gillette razor with a rolling pin on the top instead of a razor blade. But what is on this? There's a bunch of like needles that are like 1/2 millimeter long. They're really sharp needles that are just super, super tiny. Doesn't sound pleasant, right? It doesn't sound pleasant at all. But this could be the fix for your patchy beard. Now, before we get into this, there's no double-blind studies on this. There's no like published peer-reviewed papers on this exact procedure for beard growth, but there is science behind what this does. People are just now taking the leap from that science to, hey, this should cause beard growth. And let me tell you why. So this thing, you take it, and you rub it on your face back and forth like that, okay? I'm not gonna do it down here because I have my beard. It's kind of ineffective because I already have a bunch of beard there. But you take this, you run it across your face, and these little needles are just making 1,000 little bitty holes in your skin that you can't really see. It's not like something you're gonna bleed out of, but it's just little microscopic holes in your skin. So the skin senses these little holes and it stimulates everything. The blood starts flowing and it produces collagen. Now, if you've ever like geeked out on facial hair growth, you should know that collagen is one of the main things that builds hair. And so that's what this does, is it stimulates the production of collagen at a much more rapid rate than it normally does. So you're like hacking your skin, basically. Not hacking it apart with a needle, but you're like biohacking or whatever they call it. So two things you're gonna wanna know: how to use it and how long you have to use it for before you see results. Number one, how to use it. Make sure this thing's clean, for one. You're poking a bunch of holes in your skin. You don't want it to have any kind of bacteria or AIDS on it or something, So if you have a bottle of isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, just squirt it on there, get it all cleaned off with alcohol, and that should be just fine. You take it, you run it across your face like this. They say to do it 10 times each way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 10 up and down. I would say that's probably a general good idea. There's mixed reviews on whether or not you should do diagonal or not. I don't know. I think it's overkill. But you're going to do this twice a week. So you got to find some kind of thing that you do twice a week. Like maybe you clean your ears out twice a week, or maybe you shower twice a week, or take a shit twice a week. Find something you do twice a week and associate it with this. So you just add this along in that routine and it becomes pretty easy. It literally takes 10 seconds, and that's it. You're done. And when you're done, you're going to want to put some type of beard oil in it, and you want to steer clear of any artificial stuff. You don't want that going in those holes. Honest Amish is good. That's a completely all natural beard oil. Artius Man, if you guys know Artius Man. I don't have an Honest Amish promo code, but I do have an Artius Man one. It's Scuba, SCUBA, all caps, and you can use that for 20% off your first purchase. I'll link that down below as well. But those are just good. And you don't have to buy those. Just look for something all natural as far as beard products go. Those are just two products I would highly recommend as far as my favorite stuff. Honest Amish and Artius Man are great. I'll link both down below, although I only have the promo code for one of them to get a discount. Now, how long is it going to take? There's no definitive answer to this, but don't expect something in a week or 2 weeks. This is something that's going to take at least a month and a half, 2 months before you notice like a difference. And I'm just gathering that from the stories I've read online. Most people are seeing results in around 2 months or so. So those are just reports from people. I don't know personally. I won't use this. I personally won't use this for beard growth. I already have a great growth. But what I will use it for is for my skin. It's supposed to be great for like skin repair and making you look younger, I guess, or less. It kind of slows aging. Well, it doesn't slow aging. It makes your skin look healthier, I guess. There's no stopping time. And now I'm going to link this down below. If you want to save yourself some time, just go to that link, or you can do the hours and research that I did and then eventually come to the same conclusion I did and buy this exact one. There's a certain measurement of needle size for simulating hair growth. These come in so many different lengths, and 0.5 millimeters is kind of the general rule you want to stick around. And so I'll link down below the one. They're literally like $6 or $7 or $8. I think I paid maybe $7 for this. But as you know, sometimes when I link stuff and people buy it, the price goes up. So I'll link 2 or 3 down below. So if you find one of these and the price is at like $15, steer clear, use another link down below that I have. And I'll pin them all as a top comment so you don't have to go fishing around if you don't know how to find the description. So you just scroll down to the comments, it'll be the top comment pinned. But yeah, guys, who knew? This little medieval torture device looking thing could be good for your face and beard. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, okay? Don't be a little sissy wiener boy. hit the like button. You can follow me on Instagram at officialbeardtube if you like me, if you like my content, if you want to see more of my life and more bearded stuff. You can follow me there. And if this is your first time to the channel, hit subscribe right now because I got a lot of just amazing content I've already filmed and just stellar content coming in the future, guys. And that's that, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay bearded. Bye.